Hi guys, it's Amy Conway here, Global Pro Artist for Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how I got my BB Weekend Glow as featured here. It is super easy, it's great for on the go, and this is pretty much what I can't leave my house without when I want that no makeup. So I'm starting with Bare Glow Extra Illuminating Balm, and I love this finish because it's like that really creamy, pearlescent glow to the skin. Look at that. Oh. Not as shimmery as a highlighter, so I like to take this right the way over my skin, especially this time of year where my skin feels slightly more drier and dehydrated. I kind of take it right the way over, but if you are oily, just keep it to your cheeks, chin, and maybe a little bit down the nose, and it will give you that really lit from within highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with Instant Full Cover Concealer, and I do use this every day. Sometimes I will layer it with a corrector, but when I don't have a lot of time, I just use it straight on its own, and then I'll also use it almost like you would a foundation. So I pretty much draw it on just like this, and then buff it out with my full coverage face brush. Then for a no makeup, I actually jump straight into bronzing powder. So I'm going to use a little bit of Stone Street, and I'm using this sheer powder brush so it does go on really soft and sheerly without it looking like makeup. So I just use this to really warm up my cheekbones, underneath the jaw, and blend that into the rest of my body. See, for me, look how bronzer just brings you to life. I love it. Now for me, brows are so important because I feel like they just frame the face. But if I don't have a lot of time, I go in with the brow shaper. Now I'm using mahogany because I do like my brows to be a bit darker, but I find using a colour like this, when you don't want to go in and draw your brow through, is so quick and so easy. Look at that. So I just brush up at the front of my brow to give that really nice feathery lift, take it through to the arch, and then brush downwards to really lift. So now you've got your weekend glow and ready to go. I am going to finish off with a little bit of cheek and lip. Now these two products are my two favourite for having that like super multi-purpose, versatile and on the go. Pot Rouge for cheeks and lips, so many shades, and also the extra lip tint which just tints your natural lip colour so beautifully. So I'm going to start off with the Pot Rouge, and I just use the same brush that I use for foundation. Take a little amount. And I'm going to press just on the apple of the cheek, and look at this. It just adds to all of that glow that you've created in the base already while giving you that pop of colour. And then for lips, I'm going in with the extra lip tint. Now these come in so many gorgeous shades, including a complete nude and bare pink. But I love the bare blackberry, and you almost think that it looks super dark, but I find on any lip colour, this just brings out more of that berry tone. Look at that. And then for a final touch of glow, you can go back to your Bare Glow in Illuminating Balm, and I'm going to take a tiny amount of this now, warm it up in your fingertips, and just softly press that over the top as if it's a liquid highlighter. And as you can see, instantly pops that glow on the cheeks. So here we have it, my weekend glow look. Super easy to do and just leaves you feeling really refreshed and ready to face the day when you don't want to look like you're wearing a lot of makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.